Hello everyone, thank you guys for tuning in to our video. Today we're going to talk about the 2018 W-4 form. It is 4 pages long. Do you have the form filled out correctly? So stay tuned in, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others because we're going to go line by line with the new 2018 W-4 form. My name is Passion of Marcoin. Now, the importance of the W-4 form. Now, listen at this. The IRS states that millions of taxpayers have this form completed incorrectly, which causes overpayment in income taxes. Now, by properly completing this form, you could potentially realize a $200 to $600 increase in your monthly take-home pay. Now, here's our disclaimer. We do not guarantee you will receive an increase in your paycheck by adjusting your W-4. Results may vary based on each individual financial situation. Now, we want you to see a qualified tax professional if you are unsure about your form. Now, complete Form W-4 so that your employer can withhold the correct federal income tax from your pay. Now, consider completing a new Form W-4 each year when your personal or your financial situation changes. You are responsible for the accuracy of this form. Your Form W-4 should be updated once per year. You should update the Form W-4 anytime you have life changes. I know often we go to the HR person and they just hand us the form. Now you see, you are responsible for reading this form line by line. So, here is a disclaimer too on the actual 2018 W-4 form. It says complete your Form W-4 so that your employer can withhold the correct federal income tax from your pay. Now, why is the W-4 is often incorrect? Exemptions are often confused with allowances. Now, many taxpayers skip over the Form W-4 questions and enter the number of people in their household, which is their exemption. So we're going to get started with the W-4 form. So here we are. From the IRS.gov website, it says Form W-4 2018. 4 pages. So let's get started here. We're going to have a situation with a married couple filing jointly. Income $100,000 with 2 children ages 8 and 10. Again, our situation is a married filing jointly couple with 2 kids, income $100,000. So let's get started. So on question A, we said enter 1 for yourself. Question B. Enter 1 if you will file as married filing jointly. Question C. Enter 1 if you will file as head of household. The Johnson family is not filing head of household status. Let's take a look at what are the requirements to file the head of household status. So we're going to go back up here to the top of the form. Now, generally, you can claim head of household status on your tax return only if you are unmarried and paying more than 50% of the cost of keeping up a home for yourself and a qualifying individual. See publication 501 for more information about your filing status. Now, there are 6 items you should be aware of in relation to head of household status. You must be unmarried on the last day of the year to claim head of household status for that calendar year. You must have paid more than 50% of the home upkeep costs. The qualifying person must have lived with you more than half of the year. If you have a child in college, you can still count them as a qualifying individual even if they stayed in college instead of at home. A dependent parent who is a qualifying individual does not have to live with you to qualify as a head of household status. Paying child support does not qualify you as head of household status. So let's get back to the question. So on line C, it says enter 1 if you will file as head of household. The Johnsons are not qualified to file as head of household, so we're going to put 0 there. Now, question D. Enter 1 if you are single or married, filing separately, or have only one job, or you're married, filing jointly, and you only have one job and your spouse does not work, or your wages from a second job or your spouse's wages are $1,500 or less. Now, the Johnsons do not meet any of these qualifications, so we're going to put 0 there. Line E, child tax credit. See publication 972, child tax credit, for more information. Now, if your total income will be less than $69,801 or $101,401 if married, filing jointly, enter 4 for each eligible child. Now, again, the Johnsons has an income of $100,000 or married, filing jointly. They are qualified to claim 4 for each child. They have 2 eligible children. 2 times 4 equals 8, so we're going to enter in the number 8. Now, line F, credit for other dependents. The Johnson family do not have any other dependents, so we're going to put 0 here. Now, line G, the Johnson family do not have any other credits, so we're going to put in 0 there. Now, line H, this is add lines A through G and enter the total here. So you see that comes out to 10. 8, 9, 10. So 10. So with our couple that are married, filing jointly with 2 kids, with 100,000 income, they are able to put 10 on their form. So they will come back here and put number 10 on their form, and then they will turn this into their employer. Now, also, you guys, we want you to be financially secure with financial strategy. So here at Marcoin, we are, I apologize for this. The goal of our company is to help individuals as well as families attain personal financial success. We want to share with you strategies to help you build wealth. Now, contact us at marcoin@gmail.com or text us at 409-292-6272 because we want to help you with your financial goals. In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. Also, we have started the 30 for 30 financial challenge. Now, this challenge is designed to help 30 families in 30 days start their journeys to financial freedom. So click the link in our description and get started on your financial journey. And if you can, here's the website, bit.ly 34 FIN challenge number 2. You guys take care. Have a great evening. And also comment below and tell us what you learned about the W-4 form. You guys take care.